No visit to Ubud is complete without a visit to the community-managed popular sacred monkey forest. More than 150,000 visitors around the world visit the sanctuary each year to connect with nature. This 12.5 hectares natural sanctuary is located in the village of Padengal in Ubud. It is home to more than 150 species of trees identified by Udayana University and over 1,200 long-tailed macaque monkeys. The monkeys are considered sacred animals that symbolize both protection and mischief. The sacred monkey forest in Ubud gained recognition as a conservation area. Efforts were made to preserve its natural beauty, to promote responsible tourism and raise awareness about the cultural sanctuary. Some important things to know when visiting the monkey forest is: do not look the monkeys in the eye. It is seen as aggressive by the monkeys. Do not bring or hide any food or drink. The monkeys will know and will try to find it. Take care of your valuables and belongings such as your wallet, money, cameras, mobile phones, loose hanging jewelry and sunglasses and so forth. It may be damaged or stolen by the monkeys. The sacred monkey forest is home to 3 Hindu temples. Talemagung Padang Tegal, the Temple of the Dead, also known as the main temple, lies in the southern west part of the park. Purabeji Temple is the holy spring bathing temple, a place of spiritual and physical cleansing and purification prior to religious ceremonies. The Prajapati Cremation Temple is adjacent to the cemetery that receives the bodies of the deceased for temporary burial, while they await the mass cremation ceremony held once every 5 years. These temples play an important role in the spiritual life of the local community, and the monkey and its mythology is important to the Balinese art and tradition. Parts of it are not open to view by the public. Sacred areas of the temples are closed to everyone except those willing to pray and wear proper Balinese praying attire.